In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get items in Roblox. To begin, open the Roblox app on your device or go to the Roblox website in your browser. Either option works, so just use whichever one is most convenient for you. Once Roblox is open, sign into your account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before buying anything, since any item you get will be added directly to that account's inventory. After you're signed in, head over to the Marketplace, which is also sometimes called the Avatar Shop. This is where Roblox keeps a huge variety of items, including accessories, clothing, gear, and other avatar customization options. If you already know what you want, this part will be quick. If not, take a moment to look around and explore what's available. Next, browse through the shop or use the search feature to find the item you want. Searching can save time if you have a specific item in mind, while browsing is useful if you just want to discover something new. As you look through the results, pay attention to the item image, name, and price so you can make sure it's the one you actually want. Once you find an item that interests you, select it to open the item details page. This page gives you a closer look at what you're buying. It's a good idea to review the details carefully before purchasing, especially if you're comparing similar items. Taking a few extra seconds here can help you avoid buying the wrong thing. If the item costs Robux, click or tap the buy button. Roblox will then ask you to confirm the purchase. This confirmation step is important because it gives you one last chance to make sure you're happy with the item and the price before spending your Robux. If everything looks right, go ahead and confirm the purchase. After you confirm, the item will be added to your inventory automatically. That means you won't need to download it or claim it separately. In most cases, it should appear right away, ready for you to use on your avatar or access through your inventory, and that's all it takes to get items in Roblox. Just open Roblox, sign in, go to the Marketplace or Avatar Shop, find the item you want, open its details, buy it if it costs Robux, and confirm the purchase. Follow those steps, and you'll be able to add new items to your Roblox inventory quickly and easily.